Hey, what's up? This is my video bike check. The frame is a Fit TRL 3 frame from 2009, running it brakeless. Got the Odyssey Classic Dirt Fork, rust-proof black, S&M Slam XLT bars, ODI Longneck grips. Took off the flanges and flipped them. I've been running my grips like that for a while already. Odyssey par ends. Got some stock wheels, don't know what they are, but they still last. I know they got Alienation black sheep rims. I got the Odyssey Aitken K-Lyte 225 tire in the front, and the Odyssey Dirt Path K-Lyte tire 210 in the back. Got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Animal Sprocky Balboa 25 tooth, Profile Racing 175mm cranks. Got them really cheap, so. KMC gold chain. Got the Rogue Status seat. I know a lot of people got it, but I mean, I got it as a gift from my local shop. I got the Animal when I was running there before. Just a stock seat clamp. I have an Animal one, but I think I like the black one better. I had it in red. And I got the Animal all day seat post. Bottom bracket stock. Got the Fit, I guess D.L.R, I don't know, stem. Yeah, that came stock too. Doesn't have the cutouts like the actual one that they sell online and stuff. I have a FSA Impact headset, and yeah, I was running pegs before, but I just got my forks and my bars and all that stuff, so I decided I was gonna take them off for a while, you know, get used to the new setup and all. But yeah, I got a Demolition team pegs. Yeah, a little bit of use, but so yeah, there's my bike right here. I hope you like it, and just give me any comments if anything. I'll just go around one more time and show you everything. Alright, and yeah, that's my bike. Alright, catch you guys later.